Hello everyone, Meteorologist Mike here with your Synoptic Scale CONUS forecast from July 17th to July 21st. And as always, before we get started, a couple things I do need to go over. One, this is not a full and complete forecast. This is just an overview of large-scale events happening over the continental United States. For a full and complete forecast of your area, please see your local meteorologist or your favorite weather app. And secondly, all of my times are in Zulu time, or the GMT time zone. This is a standard across weather models so that we don't have to deal with time zones, and I am just continuing that trend. I will, however, have all the time zone conversions down in the description below. Alright, let's get started with what's happening right now. 12Z on the 17th. We got a low pressure centered in Indiana, with a warm front stretching off to its east into Maryland, and a stalled front stretching off to its west into uh, Kansas. Showers across both fronts right now. I do expect that to change. I do expect there to be some thunderstorms later, some of which will be severe as seen here by the SPC Day 1 convective outlook. A pair of slight risks. Yeah, the eastern one is in Pennsylvania, West Virginia, Ohio, and Kentucky, and the western one is also in Kentucky, Illinois, Missouri, and Arkansas. Alright, looking ahead here, 0Z on the 18th, we've got the low pressure has moved off into Ohio, and cold front is now stretching down into Arkansas. Showers and thunderstorms across both the pressure and the front. 12Z on the 18th, low pressure has moved up into Canada, and the cold front that is still in the US is stretching from New York down into Arkansas. SPC Day 2 convective outlook, only a marginal risk for severe weather for the northeast, a slight risk for severe weather in North Dakota, Montana, and Missouri. 0Z on the 19th, low pressure has moved back into the US, it's in New York, and the cold front now stretches from New York down into Tennessee. Showers across the front. And a new low pressure has formed in South Dakota. It's got a trough going down to its south into Colorado. That trough is very dry right now. 12Z on the 19th, low pressure has moved up into North Dakota, dragging the trough with it, which stretches down into Nebraska. That trough is still dry. A new trough is going off to its north, to the low pressure's northwest into Canada. That trough does bring with it some showers and thunderstorms. SPC Day 3 convective outlook, a slight risk for severe weather in Wisconsin, Minnesota, and Michigan. 0Z on the 20th, low pressure has moved into Wisconsin, and that trough to the northwest is still there in Minnesota. Still seeing showers and thunderstorms associated with it. 12Z on the 20th, low pressure has moved up into Canada. The trough is still reaching off into Minnesota, bringing with it some showers. By 0Z on the 21st, the low pressure is still up in Canada. It has now spun a cold front down into the US. That cold front is in Ohio and Kentucky at this time, bringing with it some showers and thunderstorms. And by 12Z here on the 21st, the cold front now stretches from Vermont down into Arkansas. I'm seeing showers across the entirety of the front. Alright guys, that's my forecast. That's my CONUS forecast for today. Let's take a quick look in the Atlantic quick because there's nothing happening. No tropical cyclone activity is expected within the next 48 hours. Alright guys, that's my forecast for today. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe for future forecasts.